going to discuss about the testing, AE testing. Okay, AE testing. So basically, now maybe a couple of people you told like Surya or Sunil, you have the testing experience. Okay, so manual testing experience, but some of the people even they don't have the manual testing experience. Also, initially very few sessions. I can able to say very few sessions just to touch what are all the things needed on the manual testing. We will have some of the core concept on the manual testing. Then we will go towards the proper appropriate on AE testing and then different AE testing strategy, and then even we will be also moving towards the AE automation. Okay, even in AE automation we have two vertical areas, which is nothing but one is on the AE using the AE plugins to generate the automation, and another one is directly the AE automation tool. But still I don't want you to like Anna, maybe you are saying something, you want to learn something JavaScript, basics of JavaScript, and then you are going towards the playwright tool. But I'm not so convenient on whoever interested. I will feed more on the learning on the JavaScript and playwright tool. Whoever lightweighted, I will give the simplest approach for you. Both will be in the same session, but how you will receive, I will give that much of level on the automation. Make sense? Okay. So you don't bother, Anna. I don't want to go to the coding side. Okay, I have a simplified approach, but you will do the coding, but not on sitting and writing everything. You know, you should know how to use my AI tools to generate that script, and then you can use it. Make sense? Okay. So fine. I will be going towards the presentation, and then maybe we'll talk further. So entire screen. Yeah. You are able to see my screen? You are able to see my screen? Yes?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay. So fine here. Okay. This is the concept AI powered testing. Okay. So why we are using this particular terminology, first of all? What is needed? What is needed to use this one AI powered testing? Or wherever now you are able to see all the roles. Maybe you are able to see the developer role, you are able to see the tester role, database role, infra role, everything now coming along with the understanding of AI and using the AI tools effectively in your day-to-day life. Okay, so that's what the expectation from everyone in the current industry. Okay, so now about IT Talent Hub, yes, as I told, we are from the IT Talent Hub, and we are already having 1,500 plus professionals served across, and then we have the strong presence in the London, and then we are specialized in training development. I cannot say that only training, because we have a lot of things done as part of the application development. We are serving UK, and even we are serving to the Middle East, especially in the Dubai. And then we are also having a very great offshore team in India. So this is what our high level information. And we have the great professional network and recruitment assistant, and we are based in Ilford, and we have office in Central London also. And already here I can able to say that definitely 10 plus years of overall serving experience, and even I am associated already more than 5 years with IT Talent Hub. That's what. Okay. So this is my trainer profile. I'm another Chukalingham, 20 plus years of experience, and I have a lot of experience in delivering the workshop and then the trainings and with related to the project management, testing and AAML solution, and these are all my core area over there. Okay. Yes. And so our clients, yes, we are just mentioned with our key clients like HM Revenue and Customs, Department for Education, and Lawyers Bank, NHS, and Transform. Okay, so these are all high level client I have mentioned, but still we have a lot more other clients also. Right. So success story, yes, we have always like we are, it's not only like a training, and we are also training and supporting for the candidates for succeeding in their career. Okay, so we have a lot of people already placed Okay, but don't ask that, Anna, whether it is a job guaranteed, but don't even believe anyone saying job guaranteed also. It is like win-win situation by keeping our effort and as well as your effort to make together in the succeeded. Okay, so definitely there are a number of opportunities to make it happen with our experience and skills, and by keeping your effort also together. So we have always like a training and then success factor also oriented. Yes, that's what I explained to you, right? Then like that current syllabus we are already framed in such a way, like whoever coming as a new also, there is no any need of, first of all, there is no any basic requirement needed for this particular training. Whoever coming from non-IT background, IT background, or housewife, or homemaker, like anything, any person just completed the degree, anyone are eligible. But only one particular thing which we are expecting you is the interest to learn the new concept and technology, also to do our assignments and whatever the things which we are able to explain. We are requesting you to please practice it accordingly. Even the sessions are like a hybrid in person, and then through the teams it is happening. Okay, so you at the end of the session, you are able to see the recording for the same batch. Whatever we are discussing on the same training session, you will be able to get the recordings, and you can able to revise the recording, and you can able to practice it very well. So because of the success factor also very much needed, so that's what we will suggest always. So initially we are going with the manual. So just understanding on the manual testing concepts, writing the test case, test plan, test execution, defect tracking, and especially with related to the Jira. Okay, so maybe you are already using Jira, whoever the people already in the industry. Jira is the management tool for a complete end-to-end project management. We can able to handle through Jira. Okay, so the tool which we are going to associate here as part of the manual testing also, it's a Jira with related to the agile methodologies. Okay, so definitely the people should also understand the agile methodologies working with Jira in the day-to-day life, like how as a test engineer, as part of your life, like what is a user story and how you are understanding the user story, writing the test case, test execution, defect tracking, and then test closure activity. Yes, these are all the part from the initial level manual, and even different levels of testing, types of testing. But these are all like, it's not like too much major. We are covering this as a very normal and quick level of coverage, because our major focus is towards the next level, like how what is AI testing, and then how we can use the automation and AI testing approaches. Make sense till now? Any questions, please, for me? Any questions for me, please? Anyone? Otherwise, at least I want to say yes or no.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Can I proceed? Fine. Then. Okay. So AI testing, yes, I'm going to explain you what are all the things which you are going to cover in the AI testing. Okay. So first of all, what is AI and what is the terminology which you are able to understand from the AI? What is AI? AI is the artificial intelligence. That's a level we know. But how the artificial intelligence are created? Artificial intelligence are created through the training of the model, algorithm and model. Okay. So here, especially, we are going to understand as part of the AEML with related to the machine learning, algorithm and model. Because now in the market, these are all the large number of applications and tools with related to ML, machine learning. Okay, so we are able to understand the projects, like how exactly we are able to use the AEML project, like what is called as a chatbot, and how the chatbot concept is working on simple chatbot. Okay, and then what is a AEML project, and how the project concept will work, and what is called the ML workflow. Okay, so where I have to collect the data, and how to clean the data, and how to make the data for my training, algorithm training. And once I'm trained the algorithm, and how I can evaluate my algorithm ML model. Okay, these are all part of testing only. Okay, because it's not like completely black box testing. It is also like you have to consider the white box testing by opening your code and content to do your regular testing. So you have to also validate what is the accuracy, what is the error rating, and then accordingly, based on your project, you have to evaluate those defined metrics as to take it up forward. And you are also running couple of algorithm, not only one algorithm, and then you will evaluate and say this is the best algorithm, and according to the team, we are going to implement that particular algorithm on or the model. The trained algorithm is the model for your final evaluation. See here, you are implementing the final model, and then we are getting it the outcome. Okay, so this is what. But I have just gone through, yes, a short description, but this is what you have to understand in the very deeper way while we are running in the program or the training. Okay, so you will be understanding like what is a ML application, what is a ML workflow, and what is the algorithm, and how we are training the model, and how the model is giving the outcome, and how the workflow has been tuned for the further things. Just everything you are going to understand with respect to the one of the our sample application, as well as we are also now currently one of the application is in the development progress. You are going to use that application for our purpose. Make sense? Make sense?
Yes.
Yes, okay, right. So that's for the A. Now I have to ask one more thing. Now you are saying that the same testing, no, anyway, you people also like whoever already, Sunil is already there in the industry, and then Sai is there in the industry. Then you people are saying, Anna, I'm already knowing about the testing. Fine, that is the conventional system. Maybe we know about how to test the conventional system. This is AI-based system. The AI based system, we should have some defined specific approaches. We have some defined specific approaches. What is the specific approaches? What is the quality of data? How to take the clean data? How to manipulate the data? How to fine tune the data? How to see the data visualization? Okay. Maybe I think Sunil also you told you have data visualization, and in the data science you have some skills. Am I right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So that is also important here, because the data is the main part for the ML model or the algorithm training. So as part of our test engineer, we should also understand how exactly the background architecture is working for the AI projects. Okay. So the ML workflow also very key important, like understanding the data and cleaning the data, data manipulation, and we have to split the data accordingly, like it, for the training what is the percentage I'm allocating, testing what is the percentage I'm allocating, and how I'm exactly preparing my program to train the model and test the model. Okay, then how this metrics is coming up to evaluate. Okay, so how I'm getting this metrics outcome to evaluate, and then how I'm implementing in the project. These all are the concept. Okay, so Anand, for this, what are all the main area needed means we have to consider some specific testing types, like data validation is first. Okay, and then model algorithm evaluation is first, then second, then bias fairness testing, because you are training something in that I cannot skip some content or the data. So bias fairness testing, poisonous testing, I can introduce some of the false data or the wrong data, and then how my model is giving the outcome. Okay, then prediction, evaluating the predictions. I'm giving something which is really, this is what I'm expecting this outcome, but my model is giving something else. There is no use of using that particular example. You are predicting something on your own temperature forecast. Okay, so you are giving all the input which is related to too much sunny data, but your prediction is came up with after 1 hour it is going to rain, which is correct, which is correct. Your model is wrong. Our model is wrong because the data which we are given is projected for sunny, too much hot, but the model is given it's going to rain. Then blunder. Okay, something like that. The prediction evaluation. You need to give the data as a tester. I need to validate my model and the AI tools to on the accuracy, how best my model is predicting. Okay, clean, because these are all the differentiation between my conventional system to the AI system. Okay, so initially we are done with the conventional system, like understanding the Jira, test type, levels, execution. But now the later stage, we are completely understanding and working, even preparing the test plan with respect to the AI related strategy and the content, and then test preparation, test execution, everything we are going to. Make sense? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Right. So then what is the, you are able to see my screen. Okay. So these all are covered as part of your training. Okay. Then even I have to show you the other part. Okay. Right. So manual and AI testing. As I told you, we are going to cover extensive on this AI testing only, not like manual. Manual just for our understanding, whoever beginner in the initial stage. That's it. Okay. So then AI powered automation. Okay. So as I told, this is split into various stages. This is split into various stages. Initially, after you are understanding what is AI application, how to test the AI application, the second stage you are moving towards the second stage you are moving towards the automation part. Automation part. What is automation? How you will do the automation? Do you anyone having the automation experience? So Sunil, do you
Yes.
have
Yes.
anything?
Yes.
Okay, which tool, which one you are using?
Basically, I know a bit of Selenium, Cucumber, and
Yeah, fine,
yeah,
fine, fine, Sudhakar. Then nothing much needed. I will tell you another thing now. Now,
yeah,
AI industry era is not like you have to sit and write all the code. Okay, even that's what I'm saying. I will give you the information. This is what JavaScript, this is what the content, this is the already we previous batches we are also done with Java and Selenium. But now we are moved towards the JavaScript and Playwright, because people are expected with any website you are opening with the job description, they are asking with Playwright. Am I right?
correct. Yes,
So we have to also move towards, because our interest is to make the people on success with the latest trends and technology. Okay. So how effectively we are learning the JavaScript and then with the Playwright, the syllabus will be there, but we will go with the best approach on how effectively we can understand those concepts. And I want to utilize the AI plugin tools also for that to develop the application. You should know the structure, how to build the structure, what to do that, everything we can make utilize of the AI tool to do that. Make sense? And now
yes.
how you will do? We have say something. Just I will show you some one of the simple thing. Okay. See here, what is this one? This is called VS Code. This is called
Yes,
VS Code. VS Code. Simple. Maybe I took around 1 hour, 1.5 hours for the just preparing a simple framework and the script. Okay. So what is the script? Just a login page. Just a login page. Okay. So here it's not, you have to understand the structure. Like maybe if I'm asking now what is features? What is feature? What is the content? Okay, see here login feature. This is a feature file. Okay, BDD we have to write the feature. Okay, feature is scenario. And now whether this is automation means this alone cannot call automation. This is the manual part of it. Okay, but even the cucumber is able to understand the structure, and we are able to write the code. Then this will be this will be communicated towards the, after this it will come like a step definitions. It will come with the step definitions. See here, this will be linked to this login steps. This again it will be covered with the page object pages. This login page. So actually, whatever the object level, everything we are going to have it in the page object. So everything is interconnected for the framework. So how we are using structures in the framework, how we want to write the proper standard test framework and the script using JavaScript. So we have to understand some of the basic necessary language level on the JavaScript. And then we are going to understand, I cannot say that to too much scientist level. No, we can understand what is Playwright and how to use the Playwright tool for automating the script, and how effectively it is giving you the automation solution for it. Okay, so it's not like too much of great complication nowadays. So we can use the existing tool. Anna, I cannot write so many things. I'm getting some error. Even using this kind of a plugin, what is this called? Copilot. Using this kind of AI plugin tool, you can able to resolve and you can able to ask the suggestion. We can empower the script, written script also. Make sense?
see, yes,
Okay. So everything is not like a previous. I have to sit and do for a week. No. Now the time won't permit for you. Okay. It's a fast life. But Now I don't know, I don't want to learn any simple JavaScript means then it's difficult. Any error coming up. We'll learn something very basic, very limited level, and how effectively even we can achieve our AI tools. We'll understand. Make sense? Clear? The concept?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Okay. See, Hannah, run it. Okay, run. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then run. Okay. Run. I will say that here I have. Okay. Test. Okay. Scroll down. Okay. I will run this file. Okay. So now it will run with the, see, simple login. Next one is invalid. Two scenario I have given. It's executed. Okay. Login is executed with a simple test script and the approach. Okay. This is a framework. It's not like too much normal. This is the standard framework. Okay. So what we want to understand, how best we are able to make ourselves in the right direction. This is the latest JavaScript under the Playwright tool. Got it? Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Now coming to the another way. Now this is one. Okay. Now people are saying that something like scriptless AI tools. Yes, we have. Why not? See here, we are going to see something scriptless automation tool. Okay. So go here. Okay, go here. Test trigger. Test trigger. This is scriptless automation tool. Okay. So just log in. Sorry. Just log in my account. So you can write something like directly like English standard statement level. See, I'm just going to the old one. Okay. See here, you don't want to make more complication. Just this is like my contact form. I think I have written for my contact form. This is the page. Okay. So just to navigate this particular home page, okay, initially, and after that I have to click on the sample form, and after that I have to just fill some important detail over here, just a simple script. For that, actually using test trigger, see what is test trigger. Okay, it's got executed the AI direct. Okay, these are all the AI powered test testing tool, AI powered testing tool. Okay, so see the test cases. See here, it's very simple. Click on the sample form, enter this particular content in this field. Okay, do you find anything like this? This is a test script. It's like a manual test step navigation steps, no? Yes, you are able to feel this like a navigation step or not.
Yes, yes. Same like Cucumber.
Even anyone can able to write, not like our experienced tester, just the page navigation level. Okay. So now if I'm saying that, I will just close it also. You don't want to get confused with this one. I'm just closing this application. Okay. So here also they are giving clearly this is a AI powered tool. Okay. So I'm just writing some of the content. By default, internally, it will convert into the automation script and it will run. See here. Okay, so I'm just save and retest. Okay, so now what it will do, see here, it is started the execution, no result because it's running now. See here, one by one we'll get the output. One by one we'll get the output of it. Just it's running. Okay, even you will get all the time stamp, everything over there. Okay, normally it will be fast, but now today it's taking time. Okay, see here, everything came up, including the screenshot. Okay, see here, just to see the last page. Okay, so it scroll down and enter the content. Okay, see here, and then the previous page. Here, these are all some of the first pages. Okay, I will show you. Okay, see here, we are writing some of the first pages. Okay, see, this is the second one with filled data. Okay, So are we doing any automations language and tool here? Just we are done with the page navigation, but the tool is taking care of doing this doing the automation. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. This is one of the example. If you are understand about one of the tool, then the remaining also similar to you can able to demonstrate yourself. You are good on the AI powered automation tool. Also, you are good on writing the automation script in the, like as I told you, VS Code with JavaScript and Playwright. Okay, by utilizing the AI content, like maybe code like Copilot, and then even you can reach ChatGPT to generate the code also fine. But you have to know the concept and generate the code accordingly. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Right. So then this is what the AI powered testing and automation. And even you can able to understand, like whenever I'm just showing this one, even you can able to understand the, okay, you can able to understand the writing the test cases in Jira also. You don't want to say that I have to write. You can able to write. That's fine. Even lot of AI plugin for the Jira, automated plugin for Jira to write the test case. Do you explored anything? Any point of time? See here, go here, okay, go here, and I'm just showing you the content, but later even I can express you in the later stage. See here, suppose if you want to go, you can go here, okay, more spaces. See here, recent, okay, so go here, more apps, okay, apps. What do you want to do? Here you want to check AI test generator, AI test generator. Okay, I will get a lot of content. These all are many, maybe AI test case generator. These all are already the flexible tool which is adapted for the Jira. It is not like, because where you are searched inside the Jira we searched. If I'm taking this particular thing, definitely this will be the proper adapted tool for the Jira. Make sense? To write the test case, you do not write based on the user story. This particular
Mhm.
tool is going to create a lot more test cases similar. Don't worry much. Similar in the LLM. What LLM? Which one you are using? LLM, chat gpt and any other tool, Gemini, Claude. Okay, if you are asking, this is that the user story, can I write the test cases? This is what the user story description, it will give you some 30-40 test cases. Correct?
Yes.
Agree? Instead of that, they are plug in with the Jira one,
Zero.
right? Marketing strategy. Marketing strategy. Got it?
Yes. In my
Okay.
previous company also there was this other tool called Octane. We plugged into Jira
And it will
to
generate.
search
It
it.
will generate.
Yeah.
If you like, you can keep it. If you don't like, remove. If you want to edit button, there is a, you can add more content, more test data, up to you. But only thing is, it's created already 80% of the content. It is easy for us.
Correct.
Correct. So it's a lot of facility, lot of things are came up. Just we will understand the situation and format. Correct. Okay. 1 second, ma. Only 1 minute. Okay. Clear till now?
Yes.
At the moment? Okay. Right. So now this is what this is also AI powered, no? This is also the concept of AI powered. Agree. This is also the concept of AI powered. Otherwise, I have to sit and do for a long time. Okay. Right. So this is clear for you. Okay. Right. So then I explained about what is a test trigger and a playwright with the Copilot and the other tools. Okay. So we have now JavaScript means there are massive advantages of using JavaScript, and then market now. Yes, many people are using the JavaScript and the playwright in the market. Got it? Okay, so Playwright for automation also cross-browser support, auto wait functionality. Even this is like Microsoft tool. Definitely, people are very much already started using this thing. Even in UK also, a lot of project from Selenium to Playwright, they are started migrating the content. Okay, so test case generated using AI. Already told you, I explained. Yes, CACD also, just we can create the automation script and then we can keep it in the cloud and then we can start the execution is CACD functionality. Nothing very great critical things over there. We have to understand how to set up and how to run. That's it. Okay. So then if you are okay with this skill set, then the job market also good for us to take it up forward, because these all are the current expected one. Just I will show you just before 2 minutes. I just I have explored about any of the relevant job. So see here, this is one of the job. It's given like senior AAQA, senior AAQA. This is a recent one from the LinkedIn. Okay, see here, what is the content they are given? One second, just yeah. So what is the content they are given? Proven. You are able to see, no? The screen is visible, or can I make the font bigger?
It's visible.
Visible. Okay, so I made the font bigger. Proven experience in QA, AI/ML testing. Correct? Okay, understanding on AI model validation, testing methodology, governance, experience in developing comprehensive test strategy, AI systems. Okay, dashboard, AI/ML workflow. Okay, so system AI system performance and defects. Okay, and then agile DevOps CI/CD pipeline. Okay, here they are asking Python SQL, and many people now already started asking about the JavaScript with Playwright tool. They will just mention that proficiency in Python. Also Python, you don't want to too much proficiency, just for model evaluation and what is the background of Python. If you are understanding, that's more than enough. That I will get you basics of Python, what exactly needed for the ML models. Make sense? Why I'm trying to tell you, this is for the senior QA role. This is for the senior one week ago. But the content they are asking is related to AI. The content they are asking is related to what skill set we should have. What skill set we should have for this job, this position. Can we go with the regular our testing approach? Is this fulfilled? What is majorly they are asking here with the skills and experience related to AI related experience, AI related. See here, even I told no bias, fairness testing, migration techniques, mitigation, bias and fairness testing concepts. Okay, everything is related to AI. Yes, just simple like that. Many jobs are coming out for the AI related, but anywhere here, okay, maybe mostly you may not find. Some places they are given like AAQA, but some many places they won't give AAQA also, but they will just say that senior QA or QA engineer. But inside the job description, they will add all the related content for the AA. Make sense? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Any questions for me? Any questions? Any content for me? Okay. So this is what we are. Okay. And then any questions?